Hello everyone, this is Yashi Pandey, your mentor for English, and I welcome you guys to a live mock test of SBI PO. Now, मुझे पता है आप सारे students ने अपने end से mock test दिया हुआ है and you guys have somehow understood कि mock test को कैसे देना है, but it is my attempt with you guys to see how much we can do. है ना? तो just a quick check children. Total duration of the test is 60 minutes. Obviously prelims है. आपको पता है इंग्लिश में 40 क्वेश्चंस आएंगे तो हम 40 क्वेश्चंस के लिए ये टेस्ट कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? सो जस्ट लेट्स क्विकली, हमने इंस्ट्रक्शंस पढ़ लिए हैं. द लैंग्वेज इज इंग्लिश एंड आई एम रेडी टू बिगिन. अब जो फर्स्ट सेगमेंट हमारे सामने है, लेट्स जस्ट फॉन्ट साइज थोड़ा सा छोटा कर देते हैं हम लोग. राइट, गिव मी अ सेकेंड. द फॉन्ट साइज इज वेरी बिग ना. ठीक है, आई होप आप लोगों को दिख रहा है. सबसे पहला सेगमेंट ही जो ओपन हुआ है हम सब लोगों के लिए, दैट इज इंग्लिश. आई होप द फॉन्ट साइज इज विजिबल टू एवरीवन. राइट, आई जस्ट रिड्यूस इट. इज इट बेटर फॉर द टेस्ट? अभी बेटर है? यस. सो आई थिंक इट इज विजिबल टू एवरीवन. लेट्स सी आप लोगों ने टेस्ट दिया हुआ है, हम लोग कितना कर पाते हैं इन क्वेश्चंस में. सबसे पहले आपको करना क्या है, यू हैव अ क्वेश्चन दैट इज यू नीड टू फाइंड व्हिच वन हैज नो एरर. ओ, फाइंड द करेक्ट वन. लेट्स सी. She performed extremely well in the competition and was awarded the first prize. पहला ही question that she was awarded the first prize. ठीक है, this looks exactly fine to me. मुझे तो ये question में कुछ भी गड़बड़ नहीं लग रहा है ना? तो हम इसको करते हैं consider. ठीक है. The children played happily. Error. His proposal was more better. एक साथ no better. The artist's work is highly appreciated for his. है ना? So definitely no error. Save and next. Interested in learning new languages. You are interested in something. है ना? तो ये तो error है. The book on the shelf belongs to John. This looks fine to me. He arrived at the office in the morning. ये भी error है. I'm going to visit my grandmother next week. है ना? So of course इनमें से 3 error. This is error free. The book on the shelf belongs to John. Next. The artist's latest, so we are talking about a filler question, ठीक है? The artist's latest exhibition was celebrated for its dash. अब आप क्या चीज celebrate करोगे? Imitation, copy, banality यानी commonality? नहीं, banal मतलब common. Mediocrity, celebrated, positive, originality, that's the answer, which managed to transcend traditional boundaries. 100% sure. The new infrastructure project was praised for its what? नया infrastructure project है. Inefficiency, negative. Obsolescence word का use भी नहीं कर सकते because it means increase and the pair is illogical. Next is redundancy, not necessary. Neglect नहीं, innovation. Yes. The researcher's methodology was criticized for being too what? It was being too what? कैसे क्या लिख सकते हैं इसका आंसर? Which threaten. अच्छा, criticize है, rigorous हो सकता है, flawed हो सकता है, meticulous means thorough, नहीं, careful, thorough भी नहीं जाएगा. 2 आंसर हो सकते हैं. Which threatened to dash the credibility of the study. Oh, credibility of the study को कम करेगा, undermine, strengthen तो करेगा नहीं. It is this. The CEO's speech was intended to dash confidence, erode. बाकी सारे negative words हैं. Simple, boost confidence among investors, especially after the company's recent decline in the market. Number 7 पर आ जाइए. Despite the manager's attempt to dash tensions between the department, the conflict continued to dash productivity. Oh, तो इसका मतलब the manager was trying to decrease the conflict, है ना? So escalate नहीं होगा, it means to increase, intensify नहीं, provoke नहीं, alleviate, reduce, soothe, है ना? To hinder productivity, confirm. Next, in these questions आपके पास कुछ words हैं. From the given option, choose the one that provides a correct pair of synonyms. अच्छा, so all you have to do is provide synonyms for the question. ठीक है? चलो, let's come to number 8. पहले tactical. Tactical means something which is very planned. Ludicrous मतलब होता है ridiculous, बेकार. Next is farcical, बेकार. तो 2 और 3 का पेयर दिख रहा है मेरे को क्लियरली, है ना. Parsimonious is someone who is very कंजूस, frugal. No, it is 2 and 3 for me. Ostensible, ऊपर से, on the surface, है ना. Flinty is very hard. Flinty is hard और clement करेक्ट पेयर ऑफ सिनोनिम और एंटोनिम. देखो, एक है हार्ड, फ्लिंटी, ऑपोजिट क्लेमेंट. क्लेमेंट इज समवन हु इज वेरी माइल्ड, लीनिएंट, है ना. होपलेस तो नहीं होगा. यस, 2 4 सिनोनिम नहीं है, दिस इज सिनोनिम एंड एंटोनिम का पेयर. यस, दैट इज करेक्ट. अच्छा, अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल वर्ड फॉब, इसका मतलब होता है किसी को धोखा देना. ठीक है. मेटल, टू प्रूव योर मेटल, करेज. टॉन्ट का मतलब होता है किसी को उकसाना, और जीयर का मतलब होता है टू मॉक. तो टॉन्ट और मॉक यानी कि 3 और 4 जाना चाहिए. Okay, next 4 alternatives are marked and are given as substitutions for the highlighted part. India's first solar power high speed rail corridor is expected commissioning by the end. Achha, it will be done by someone. Passive. It is expected to be commissioned. To commission bhi nahi hoga, to be commissioned by the end. Expecting to commission is expected to have commissioned. नहीं. Next is question number, हम लोग आ गए हैं 12 पर. ठीक है. So the Indian Space Research ISRO has successfully launched. has के साथ verb का third form. have नहीं, had नहीं. A 100%, इसमें कोई doubt नहीं है. Next is number 13. To curb unauthorized, that means to reduce unauthorized lending apps, the Reserve Bank of India is made it mandatory. Has made it mandatory. The newly appointed ministers in the Union Cabinet have taken oath. They have taken oath. है ना, आप ministers से oath लिवाओगे ना, so they have taken an oath. है ना, so yes. India's retail inflation rate rises होना चाहिए. पहले तो आपको देखना है कि रेट सिंगुलर है, रोज लिख सकते हो. अच्छा, इन 4 months लिखा है, यानी ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, तो हैज रिजन होना चाहिए, वॉज राइजिंग नहीं. रोज टू इट्स हाईएस्ट लेवल. यस, दैट इज द आंसर. ओके, नाउ वी हैव अ पैसेज. अब जल्दी से आ जाओ पैसेज पर सब लोग. फॉर डिकेड्स चाइना, व्हाट वाज द इनिशियल ग्लोबल परसेप्शन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स मेड इन चाइना? inexpensive goods that often compromised on quality. पहले ही क्वेश्चन में आंसर आ गया ना कि चाइनीज गुड्स compromised on quality, है ना. So affordable but limited durability. High quality तो नहीं है. नहीं. Yes, affordable but limited durability. Which of the following strategies did China adopt to improve its manufacturing quality? The made in China was a label that means affordability but also limited durability. Products would frequently wear out quickly, fail to meet international standards, or simply failed out of fashion. This perception made China a dominant player in mass manufacturing but left its reputation in risk. Western consumers often preferred goods from Europe and United States or Japan. However, the story of Chinese manufacturing did not remain static. Over the past 2 decades, China embarked on a deliberate and strategic transformation, investment, development, stronger focus on quality control, adoption of advanced manufacturing technology, gradually shifted the country's production paradigm. Innovative, improving the product design, functionality, and durability. Focus solely on cheap production, reduce investment, improve design, durability. Yes, the answer is C. Next is question number 18 पर आ जाइए. What is implied by the statement Chinese firms are not only producing superior products but are also capturing significant market share in Europe, North America and beyond? Okay, ठीक है. Another is renowned in North America and beyond. Chinese firms are not only producing superior products. Okay. China's rapid rise in high precision manufacturing sector. Major Western economies, once comfortable lending in technology and export, are increasingly cautious about China's growing influence. Products are only growing influence. Yes. Next is number 19. 19 पर आ गए हो आप लोग, ठीक है. The word resilient. Oh, resilient is very obviously बात है. Lazy, weak, expensive, temporary हो ही नहीं सकता. Yes, you are strong enough. According to the passage, why did Germany feel concerned about China's rise? अच्छा, Germany क्यों चिंता में था? evolution, cheap ephemeral goods, and becoming resilient, sustained investment, quality. Today, made in China carries different connotation. Germany feel concerned. Germany, for instance, long renowned for engineering excellence, has expressed concern. Okay, तो क्यों हुआ? Because China was surpassing in its high manufacturing precision. Yes, नहीं, access to raw materials या products cheaper थे, no. Which phrase best describes the transformation of made in China over the time? Cheap, unreliable to competent and competitive. Expensive, nahi. To more affordable, nahi. Exclusive, trendy, nahi. It is A. The phrase sustained investment in the technology, quality and global market understanding suggests what? Sustained investment in technology. Last paragraph में था ना? हाँ. Resilient, innovative, sustained investment in technology. In technology, it shows what? Global market क्या है? Sustained investment in technology, evolution from cheap goods to becoming a resilient powerhouse underscores a broader lesson. Short term gains नहीं, long term planning है. China relied only on low cost labor, ये तो mentioned भी नहीं है. China was not necessary for global, नहीं. Western countries did not influence China's growth. Yes, the answer is B. Which of the following is the best inference from the passage? इस passage का inference क्या है? China's growth is limited to low cost manufacturing, नहीं. China's success is result of copying the Western, नहीं. Continuous learning, adaptation and innovation has enabled China to surpass traditional industrial powers. The next you have here is Western goods countries have always feared Chinese goods. नहीं, हमेशा नहीं. हाँ ठीक है, it is C. For me it is C. आपको मुझे बताना है इसमें rise word का synonym क्या होगा? Synonym decline नहीं हो सकता. As used in the passage. Increase. बाकी तो सारे antonyms हैं. Significant. Oh, significant is something which is very substantial, है ना? तो इसका opposite क्या होगा? Something which is insubstantial. तो picayune बोल सकते हो. Picayune का मतलब ही होता है something which is like a small coin, है ना? Pika मतलब छोटा. तो छोटा. Pika is छोटा. जैसे Pika, Pikachu. ठीक है? So it is yes, picayune. Important, substantial, notable, considerable, all are synonyms. Next. अरे बाप रे. क्या है? One of these sentences is grammatically correct. The remaining 4 may have grammatical errors. अच्छा, ठीक है. The teacher, ठीक है, क्या क्या लिखा हुआ है? अच्छा. The teacher along with her students were, along with के साथ teacher को follow करे कोई was, A में गलत है. She is senior to me. Neither the manager nor his assistants के साथ have आएगा. Neither nor के साथ second subject को follow करोगे. The furniture in the room is very old, है ना? He is one of the finest players, one of the finest के साथ plural form, who have, ठीक है, ever played the game, यानी E correct है, बाकी सब गलत. ठीक है, next question पे आइए, number 27. Each of the boys is. He has been living here since 5 years number में mentioned है ना, तो for 5 years, for 2 days, for 10 days. The committee has. The child has been missing since yesterday. मुझे C लग रहा है right. If I were a bird, सब गलत, C correct है ना. Next. She suggested me to join the English course. To join the English course. She suggested me to join the English course. She suggested that I join. Me to join नहीं, I join. That I join. The sceneries of Kashmir is. Neither of the two brothers has. Neither के साथ has जाएगा. अगर neither nor नहीं है तो हमेशा verb singular. Despite के साथ off नहीं जाता. He denied having any involvement in the case. ठीक है. I look forward to meeting you. You look forward to meeting a person. I'm looking forward to meeting you. She gave me an advice. Advice uncountable. A and कुछ नहीं जा सकता. One of my friends होना चाहिए. The news of his promotion. The news was a relief. हाँ, D is okay. He is not knew the answer. He did not knew the answer to the question. He did not know. Not के बाद V1 आता है. D is the right one. अच्छा, ये तो तुम लोगों को दिखेगा नहीं, फिर भी चलो एक साथ मिलके ट्राई करते हैं. So what we have here is match the column. We have already completed 29 questions बेटा. आराम आराम से करेंगे, कोई बात नहीं, जितना होगा. The development of advanced robotics for industrial automation has transformed the efficiency of deep sea exploration. Robotics have transformed the adoption of virtual reality, have transformed the production of renewable energy. Nare, the rapid expansion of solar energy projects in developing nations has significantly boosted the production of renewable energy to meet the rising electricity demands. हाँ, take a pen and paper है ना, take a pen and paper for this, है ना. तो ये वाला जो हमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 दिख रहा है, इसमें आएगा हमारे पास B और F. The global effort to preserve endangered wildlife species has intensified the efficiency. नहीं, BF, only BF. Next, the adoption of precision farming technologies in rural areas has enhanced crop yields. ठीक है, AD. By optimizing the resource. AD है क्या? हाँ, दो ऑप्शन में. The development of drone-based crop monitoring system has improved the efficiency of pest control measure. हाँ. The global rise in तो B और E का पेयर भी है. The global rise in electric vehicle production has driven the implementation of stricter. ADBE. The answer is clearly D. Next question 32. In the past, these 5 parts are not arranged. अच्छा, इसमें हम लोगों को rearrangement करना है ना. What we have to do is rearrangement of the question. ठीक है. In the past 5 years, banks as we have witnessed in the past 5 years, EA have increasingly become slower. C, in interest rate transmission to policy rates to protect their net. Oh, very easy. It is EACDB. EACDB मेरा आंसर है. ठीक है. Next question. The university introduced, number 33. The university introduced new online courses, AD, to make higher education, ADC, more accessible to whom? To working professional. CBE. इसका आंसर बहुत क्लियर है. I am very sure it is ADCBE. Next is number 34. No. 34. The cost of maintaining customer move to capital as more savings and borrowings move to capital markets and fintech. But इसमें टाइम लग रहा है. Safe districts can turn vulnerable democracy. नहीं. Safe districts can turn vulnerable. Then we have vulnerable under the weight of voter backlash. AD, and the perception of a manipulated democracy. E के बाद आया B, can erode the trust in institutions. BC, ADEBC, आ गया. Yes, ADEBC. ABEDC भी है ना? नहीं, ADEBC आ रहा है मेरा. Next, the detection of 3 human meta HMPV. ठीक है. Sorry, is one of the Gujarat has raised awareness about this. Though not new, HMPV ठीक है, poses significant health challenges, particularly all 3 Indian cases involve infant and no travel history. This dash the fact that the virus is already in local circulation. Illustrates nahi, stresses nahi. This stresses the fact. This clarifies, underscores. It underscores the fact. Which of the following? Symptoms often mimic the common cold, but can escalate to severe conditions like pneumonia, despite its dash prevalence. Commonness, frequency nahi. Despite its prevalence means widespread. HMPV lacks vaccine. Next, number 3. India has ramped up dash through the Indian Council, has ramped up vigilance, surveillance. The right word is detection, scrutiny. Scrutiny spy क्यों करेंगे? नहीं. I think this is the answer. Next है number 4. Strengthening isolation protocol, ensuring the availability of medicine and enhancing 39 and enhancing the public awareness about hygiene can dash the spread, counteract, abate जा सकता है, abate भी reduce, mitigate ज़्यादा better word है. Oh, the time is up. So I have to submit the segment. 4 question रह गए, but I think we have done a good job, children. This was so much fun. Last में ऐसा लगता है कि टेस्ट ही ले रहे हैं हम लोग, है ना? So that's it. I hope हम लोग इसका स्कोर भी शेयर करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ. But that's all, children. Lots of love. Stay blessed. Keep learning. Keep practicing. And here I'm going to submit the section. All the very best. That's it, children. So I think we did a wonderful job, है ना? And the test is done. Make sure that you are going to, to see what the scorecard is. I will also be sharing my score at the end of the session. मैं आप लोगों को इसको वीडियो में डाल दूंगी. Please go ahead and check it. All the best. Bye bye.